Doesn't matter to you if you get heads or tails. You just don't like the flip all the time. But if you spin it, then you get to see both sides. Oh, the thrill of the double life.
A bird. So it flew out of the sky out of nowhere and just, landed itself by a big fell up. I have a solution by that. You know that bird you're carrying? That is a runt. A runt, something that is very different than all the other birds. It's like it's not normal. It says it doesn't have no other way to get back to its flock. You're gonna have to take care of it until it flies. Yep, you. So there's no other way, sir. Adios.
Cheep, 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 cheep. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Green, boop, boop, boop. Cheep. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Boom. Beep, beep. Glad you came to the right person. I'm not an expert with birds, but I do kind of feel bad for this one. Cheep. This poor little bird lost his flock? Oh, poor thing. You know what I'll do with it?
I'll say get rid of it. What? That's what I'll do.
I would say that. I'd rather just take care of it, just until migration starts. Because if migration starts without him, they will have no other choice. So I guess this little bird is your responsibility. I'm just saying the facts though. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Oof, part one is the little guy needs to learn how to fly. Cheep. Cheep. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Touchdown! Cheep, boo, boo.
This one's going on Facebook or YouTube. And that, folks, is how you call punching a bird. I mean, look how weak that thing is. Absolutely weak. What's that I hear? Are you sad because I hit you? Oh, what a sorry excuse of a bird. Ow! Oh! Cheep, cheep, cheep. Ow, what's your deal, big guy? So, I don't care if I did that. Birds don't have feelings. Besides, that's an ugly bird you have there. A stinky, ugly bird. Cheep. What you what now? Hey, nobody touch me. What the? Nope, I won't even ask. Man, you just ruined my chance of getting ladies. You are so gonna pay. So I wonder if that silence guy is doing with his bird. I don't know what's going on. So I wonder if that silence guy is doing with his bird. I don't know what's going on. All right, you fat wretch. You have messed me up for the last time. Now it's time for you to say goodbye. Any first words? Cheap! Cheap? Well, Ralph said cheap. Unless... Huh? What the... Ah! Cheap! Man! Cheap, 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 cheap! 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 Cheap, cheap! 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 Can someone please get me down from here? Please? Anyone?